welcome back to my channel and welcome to another shopping haul video. And a big hello to people who are watching me for the first time. Hi, I'm Ridhima. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, food, vlogs, a lot of shopping hauls. So in case you enjoy watching such videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. That would mean the world to me. And today I'm going to be sharing a couple of items that I bought online from a local store over here. Some very random and beauty, cosmetic, healthcare and everything sort of haul this is going to be. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I shopped these items from the Chemist Warehouse. So this is Chemist Warehouse, like is a pharmacy sort of place or a store across Australia where you can get beauty products like drugstore products, and it is basically a drugstore. So you can get drugstore makeup and whatever your medicines and cosmetics and perfumes and things like that. You know what I mean? So this is the box that came in because I have ordered online. You guys know I love online shopping rather than going to stores and buying stuff like that. So the first thing that I got is, let me try to remove all these extra papers that came in. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a healthcare item. Now this is what I bought. So these are the Ashwagandha capsules. I know most of you are from India, so you already know what Ashwagandha is. This is a medical herb that supports, if you are stressed, you can have it. It builds immunity, so it is very good to have Ashwagandha once a day, like one capsule a day. I've heard my mom has been taking it, my brother has been taking it, my dad has been taking it for years. And finally I am going to start having Ashwagandha too, because I am not a big fan of medicines. Like I can't have capsules and tablets and medicines like that. So I always kept avoiding it, but only after 2020 I realized how important it is to take care of yourself, be it just building antibodies in your body, to keep you safe, to release that stress. And that is why I ended up buying this. So it comes with, I guess it is a pack of 60 Ashwagandha capsules, and it is supposed to give increase your metabolism. It is supposed to create or build in more antibodies, and also helps in reducing stress. And it is also said that it helps in giving you that calm and nice deep sleep. I mean, I'm not a doctor, you guys, so if you are going to try or eat or start having any of these items, please consult a doctor or somebody in your family. Only then do it. Don't just buy an Ashwagandha capsule watching this video. I'm just sharing what I got and what I am starting to do. Now the next thing I bought is something that I've been looking out for ages, and I just absolutely couldn't find it anywhere, which is a white freaking nail paint, you guys. So I'm actually wearing this one right now. I was looking for a white nail paint for the longest time, but none of these brands or these stores, any of them had any white nail paint, and finally I found one on Chemist Warehouse. This is the brand Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear nail color, and this is how it looks like. And I am actually wearing it, so you can see on my nails as well. Looks absolutely nice. I love white nail paints, but I will say this is not chip proof, so this will not last you very long. Like you have to like if I apply it on the weekends, then by the next Friday or the Saturday I will have to remove it and put them on again, because they chip a lot. I think it is also because I keep working a lot throughout the week and keep using my hands doing dishes and things like that. So I think that is also one of the reasons. But in case you are those lucky people who get help and you don't have to do a lot of house chores and you know, things like that, then you can definitely try this out. The next thing that I got for myself this time is this OGX shampoo. Now you guys, if you have seen my previous vlogs or hauls, you would know I love OGX as a brand. I've been using their shampoos for you know, some time now, and this is the new variant that I wanted to try. So this is their thick and full biotin and collagen shampoo, and that's how it looks like. Now as the name suggests, thick and strong, it is supposed to make your hair thicker and stronger, and helps in controlling you know, gives you like fuller, healthier looking hair. That's what it says. It doesn't say it helps in hair fall or any sort of thing, but it says it is a blend of vitamin B7, biotin, collagen and hydrolyzed wheat protein. I have no idea what that is, but it looks nice. It smells good, smells nice, and this is how the shampoo looks like. So I'm going to try this out and let you guys know if I like it or not, in case you are interested. I also like OGX because they are sulfate free, and you guys know I've been following a ritual of avoiding sulfate in my hair products, and I want to see if, you know, that does any difference to my hair or not. Now the next thing I bought is this triple milled soap. Now you guys know I have shared it in my previous haul as well that I suffer from a problem of acne. So sometimes on my back or my you know, front area, I can get a small sort of acne and pimples, and I don't know what to do about it. Like, I keep scrubbing them, but still that is a problem that persists, and I have been trying out a lot of things. So I bought this body wash, I remember two months ago, I believe. I used it for 2 months and I did not see like major changes. Like, it did made a difference, but it was not something that I would want to purchase immediately again. I want to give a break and give something new a try. And then I read online that triple milled soaps can help in reducing acne and stuff like that. So I got this one. This is a very basic soap bar. This is in the variant plum and pink lily. Now triple milled soaps are basically, they use like the finest ingredients. Like, the ingredients have been you know, milled again and again, or they are brought into like their finest you know, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you understand, like, they are not the usual soap, they are something different. Now this one also has vitamin E, shea butter and almond oil in this. And this this soap, it smells divine, you guys, divine. I think because of the plum and pink lily, it smells amazing. Now I haven't used a bar soap in ages. Like, I've been using body washes for, I don't know, I can't even remember, like 7, 8, 10 years now, and I'm excited to use a bar soap finally. I know this sounds like very weird, but yeah, anything for back acne, you guys. Let's see how this one works. And the last product that I purchased is this Moroccan oil. Now I have been seeing this over the internet for the past 1 year, and everyone has been you know, raving about it. So I thought I have to give it a try. And also I think I wouldn't lie, because my Livon hair serum was getting over. I thought, okay, it's time, I better give something new a try. So this is what I bought. So this is the Moroccan oil, you know, the famous Moroccan oil. It can be used as a serum after you wash your hair. It says, yeah, it is the Moroccan oil treatment. It can be used as a serum, it can be used as a hair oil, it can be used to set your, you know, to give you that sleek, wet look as well. But yeah, this is what I bought, and I'm going to use this as a serum for my hair, and let's see if I like it. I'm going to purchase the bigger bottle. I've bought the smaller size first because it is expensive. Like, this thing is not cheap, you guys. Even the smaller bottle is not cheap. Like, I can buy 10 Livons in this price, but I'll see. We'll give this one a try and see how it looks and how it works. And that was it, you guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this wall. I can't even talk. Can you see? I filmed like this is my 4th video of the day, and that is why I'm just fumbling now. So I need a break, you guys, and I will give you guys a break also from my talking and my chitter chattering. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe kar lo yaar, that means the world to me. And I will see you guys the next time. Bye.